something, KB. KB, seriously.
Fuck you. Brother, drag me, bitch. Brother, drag me. Talk about me, brother.
So if you was in person, if you were in person and you saw P Money at a mall and he was with a bitch, he would laugh at you to get some cool points from that bitch because he's trying to get some pussy later.
Ragged ass nigga, do you know KP know my whole family? Fuck ass nigga, cool, my mama, sister, cousin. Fuck ass nigga. That's sad, man. That's sad. That's sad. Like, this app is crazy. Like, I don't even take Bigo. I don't take Bigo serious no more to the point I get tipsy and I just be having a ball on. I don't take this shit serious no more. I'm not even taking this gay ass serious, but the shit he's saying, you know, he just speaking the mind of a lot of people on here that's in this community. And ain't nothing wrong with that. But it's like, buddy, you got the wrong nigga, wrong guy there, and you in the wrong line. KB, what I say, if I ever got comfortable with you or got cool, you hung out with me and my family, what I tell you, if you tried me, what I'll do to you?
You said you were punching in my face, which was really mean and disrespectful.
I don't play like that, fuck boy.
Disrespectful.
And I don't even like saying the word fag, gay, or none of that, bro, because these are good people, fuck nigga. Like, they don't deserve to hear that. But niggas like you make it come out of good people or people that respect and fuck with your community and support them, and it make us look bad. Because once upon a time, I was on here nice and cool and quiet, and bitch ass niggas like you took advantage of me.
Hey, y'all missed that part.
Am I the same?
No, not at all. Y'all missed that part. Y'all missed that part.
Boy, this app is crazy. But I'm not mad. It's Bigo. Welcome to Bigo, man.
Yeah, welcome to Bigo.
And you sit there and allow that disrespect, KB. I wish a nigga would tell me that shit. I ain't trying to holler at you. I look better than you and your motherfucking bitch, nigga. I can never wanna try to holler at you. I can never wanna holler at you. I look better than you and your bitch. I look better than you, P Money. If I was born.
What you say?
What did you? Fuck it. I don't even know what the fuck you said to make that dragging go off like that.
Yeah, I didn't do nothing. I don't even know.
I don't understand. Anyways, so how is your Pink Whitney? Because my Hennessy is very good.
Man, this shit catching up to me like a motherfucker. I'm trying to act. I'm on this. You know, I'll be on this bitch trying to act normal. I don't be normal at all. I'll be on this bitch trying to smile, laugh, and
exactly. Okay.
Rocking like a motherfucker.
Yeah, okay, so fuck that, because I'm finna go ahead and get you where I'm at, okay? So look, every time you fuck up, you gotta take a sip. Fuck this shit with fucking hot girl going on, bitch. I'm finna get you lit. Okay, cause I got lit off this game, so you finna get lit.
You got 5 seconds to answer these questions. If you don't answer these questions in 5 seconds, you gotta take your shot or take your sip. You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, bet. Name 4 sex positions. Ready? Go.
Missionary, doggy style, cowgirl, and
fucked up. That's 5 seconds right there. Take your sip, bro.
What other phone? What's the fourth? It's missionary, doggy style. Missionary, doggy style. Cowgirl.
What's another one? One more.
Reverse. I know I said cowgirl. Same thing.
What's another one? What's that side? Yeah, on the side. What's that called?
Right, but I think he got a name though. It's just called the side. 57 positions.
Oh, 69. That's on.
Damn, I forgot 69. But that's head though. That's not sex. That's head.
So you don't consider head sex?
Fucking and getting and receiving head is two different. You put them in two different categories.
Okay. So if a girl just give you head, you don't say, "Oh, I fucked with her. I just got head from her." That's
just got head.
Okay, cool. Okay, so you ready for the next question?
I'm ready.
So name 4 countries that start with the letter E. Go.
Man, you got me fucked up. You got me all the way fucked up. What the fuck? 4 countries. I could have made up some. That what the fuck I should have did. I should have made up some. That what I should have did. Made up some.
I'm trying to think. Oh, somebody got one. Ethiopia. Bro, I got that one wrong. As fuck. I had to take a shot from that question. Let's see. Goddamn. New England, Egypt. Okay.
Y'all gay boys are so fucking embarrassing, man. Y'all do anything just to get some
Hold on. But y'all gotta think about it. Y'all in the comments thinking. Y'all got time to think.
Yeah, y'all got time.
don't got
Right.
I'm thinking.
Y'all in my position. Matter of fact, do it with our girl. Do it with our girl.
Okay, hot girl, you ready?
Go ahead.
Okay, bet. So we're gonna give you the same. Damn, I can't really give you the same question because they answered in comments. All right, no, I got some. Okay, so name 3 countries that start with the letter B. Go.
Brazil, Belize.
That's why I think right there. If you got your shot, take your shot, B. That's why I think right there.
Country. I don't even know the country.
Exactly. Now you know.
Give me a sex question. Give me a sex question because I'm better. I'm better at that than that. Yeah.
Okay, bet. So I got the other question real quick. Okay, so name three sex.
Nah, hey man, stop.
Name 3.
That's the same question you asked.
No, I'm
When I miss their comments, man.
tweak it real quick. Okay.
I just
Okay. Name 3 different types of head. I guess I don't freaking know. Go.
3 different types of head. What you mean? 3 different types of head?
Like I don't get answers, but like sloppy, goddamn. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
I got you, so
Sloppy toppy.
hot girl, sloppy toppy. That's not
Shit. Twister. I don't know. Shit. Twister.
Breathe, what up,
I don't
bro?
know.
That motherfucker.
3 different types of head.
There you go.
3 different types of head. Hurricane tongue. Shit.
Wow, man.
Shit.
The God ass.
Motherfucking. Different types of sucking dick from the back. First sucking dick from the back.
Okay. Ready? Next question.
I don't know.
You ready?
Hit his ass with the 5 different type of cereal.
Oh, nah, I got something for him. Okay, so, Nah, go ahead. Answer that one. Go ahead. 5 seconds.
You talk about me or him?
Him.
Nah, I'll go then. He can go.
Okay, go ahead. Hi, girl.
Oh. Okay, what you ask me, baby?
5 different types of cereals.
I don't buy cereals. I'm a vegan. I drink water and I take sea moss.
Name
So
5 cereals.
I don't eat cereal, so I don't know. I'm a vegan. I don't really. Yeah. But I guess if I. Yeah.
Oh yeah, sick of these. Frosted Flakes, Fruity Pebbles.
No, P, go. Don't read the comment.
I'm thinking this is his turn.
No, go ahead.
Frosted Flakes, Fruity Pebbles, Apple Jacks, Cocoa Puffs, Cookie Crisp.
Okay, there you go. Oh, damn. Shit. Alright.
My head was just spinning fast as hell, too. I'm an epic jump before a Cookie Crisp. Man, what up, brother?
Okay, ask me a question. I got 5 seconds to answer it. Go.
Captain Crunch. Thank you, Bam.
Go, P. Ask me a question. 5 seconds.
Name. Give me 5 ghetto names you would name your daughter. Go.
Waukesha, Selena, and Rashida.
I said 5 ghetto names.
Oh shit. Rashida, Shadija, and Kadia.
You messed up when you said Selena. That's not a ghetto name.
To who? That's not ghetto. To you.
Selena is not a ghetto name. That's like a Puerto Rican Mexican white girl name.
To you.